How to add money to Chime from Cash App. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up your Cash App account. After that, go to your profile of Cash App. For that, just simply click on the option of just simply click on the top right hand side corner. Then scroll down and click on the option of linked banks. Now click on the option of linked debit card. After that, select the option of no card. Now wait for it to load. After that, click on continue. Here you will be able to find the option of Chime. In case if you are not able to see it, just simply search for it and you will be able to find it. After that, just simply select it. Then wait for it to load. Now it will ask you to continue to log in. Just simply click on continue to log in, and this way you will be prompted to log into your Chime account using your Chime credentials. This way you will be able to link your Chime with Cash App. Now just get back. After that, just simply click on the home section at the bottom left hand side corner, and after that, when you try to cash out from your Cash App, the money will be transferred to your Chime account, and that's how easy it is to add money to Chime from Cash App. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.